first, I always just put it over something just tall enough. This one's pretty raggedy, not the best setup, but you know, I work with what I got. So first thing I do is loosen it. Usually I can grab it like this, and not really have to put. I don't remember how I did it. I think it starts down here. Kind of grip it like this, holding the handlebar, and usually it goes out pretty good. I was able to turn it. I'm trying to think, do I need to take it all the way off? You know what, I'm just gonna take it all the way off. Take the wheel off. Move, bro. Don't want to get hurt, man. I'm not gonna try to hurt myself, but if you use a breaker bar like this, it's so much easier. Kind of like when you work on cars. It's so much easier. Ugh. Louis, you gotta get away and get hurt. You gotta move. I think he knows I'm like talking to someone. So I did put anti-seize on this. It's all rusted out now. Dude, you just farted next to me? Bro. Whatever. Alright, let me put these nuts away. And 2 of these. I bought these off a grocery store and had it Uber delivered because I didn't have a car. And it worked good. I forgot which one it was. I don't think it was this one. I think it was this one I need to loosen. Yeah, I need to loosen this one. So, it's a pain in the butt. And this one. It's always scary because you don't want to strip it. You strip it, you are fucked. You are fucked. So what this does is it widens the fork so you can take this out. And the reason you have to do that is the first time I took it out, I didn't do this part. I didn't widen it. And I tried to put it back on and I couldn't put it back on because I don't want to tighten this side. I wasn't able to put it back on because the fork was shorter than the front. I think I should be able to take this out now. Okay, so much sitting up and down. Kind of a pain in the butt. You know, I had a flathead screwdriver. I have no idea where that went. So, I'm gonna see if I can use something else. Oh, I should have showed you guys how I did the hydraulic top off. It took me a few tries to figure it out. No, Louis, you can't have that. That's my fucking chapstick. Always fucking eating my chapstick. He's eating so many fucking chapsticks. You can't do that, it's not yours. Alright, let's fucking do this. I did drink too much last night. Went out to the bars down the street. Drank too much. Feel like shit. But that's normal. Stay Louis. You take these pins out. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was supposed to take off the brakes too. Haha. You take the brakes off the rotor. This one. Not that one. This one. What? Not this one. This one. My front brakes are definitely been a lifesaver since my back brake had issues. I did try the electronic braking as well. It just wasn't great. It's too abrupt. It feels scary. It feels like if you press it too hard, you're not ready, you're gonna fucking fly off. Or slowly fall over the handlebar and not have enough time to react. Pretty fucking scary, actually. I already know my back's gonna hurt from bending over like this. Sit on the ground. Okay. Okay. Sitting on the ground, much better. Take the brakes off. I should be able to take this off. Boom, comes right off. I said comes right off.